end of a long week and my kitchen is an absolute disaster. I try to clean up throughout the week so we can stay on top of things and having nannies come to our home, but Friday night comes and we're spent, and so we typically tend to just chill out on Friday nights. So that usually means that Saturday comes and there's a little bit more work to be done, and I have things I want to get done today and I don't have a ton of time. I have a little 3-month-old baby, so the time that I can do anything is very short. So I'm gonna do a 30-minute speed clean to clean my kitchen, get everything under control. And so I thought I would take you along with me and see how you like it. So anyways, 30 minutes, here we go. Pretty much every surface is covered at this point, so a lot of things to put away. First things first, put things away. I feel like things just build and pile, and that's the first thing I like to do whenever I'm cleaning the kitchen. As you can tell, I have my little shadow with me everywhere I go. He actually loves cleaning, so he's having a good time as we do this. And to begin with the dishes, I swear these are the bane of my existence. If there is one chore, well, there's two chores that I just really don't like, and that is folding laundry and doing dishes, but it's a must. I would rather have dishes in the dishwasher than having a sink full of dirty dishes just staring at me begging to be done. So for me personally, I only use the dishwasher for things that are non-plastic, with the exception of my breast pump supplies and cutting boards, because raw meat, I just think that deserves a hot wash, and there are so many little bits and pieces with breast pumps, and if you have ever pumped before, you will know the amount of time it takes to wash all of those little pieces. It's a lot to do every single day, so the dishwasher is definitely my go-to with that. We'll get the dishwasher going, get it started, and next is the hand washing. I hate hand washing dishes, but it's a necessary evil. So I think once I get into the rhythm of it, or if I'm like talking to somebody or listening to something or watching something, I kind of forget that I'm doing it. So I always love chatting with my husband if I'm ever hand washing dishes or doing the dishes in general, just to make the time go by a little bit quicker. In this whole process, I'm reminding myself how much easier it is to hand wash dishes if you don't leave them sitting overnight. We all know how it gets when you leave food in things. I usually try to rinse things out, but Friday nights doesn't always happen. All the baby bottle stuff, my goodness, those little kids need so many things, and they really, really just accumulate over the day. It's time for a good wipe down. I love my counters because I feel like they hide a lot, but it's also bad because they hide a lot and I don't always realize how bad it's gotten. And having black appliances and black hardware definitely makes things appear a little bit quicker than I would like, but I guess it's a good sign that it needs to be cleaned. I think wiping down the kitchen is one of the most satisfying parts because everything else is clean. You know, it's like the counters are cleared off and it doesn't take very long. It's like the final touch that just feels so satisfying. Like, okay, the kitchen is clean once we've wiped down the counters. Since I was over here, I decided to just do a quick wipe down of the microwave. I certainly do not get to this as often as I probably should, but we also don't use our microwave too terribly often. More often than not, I just use it to heat up water or butter for recipes, but I rarely reheat food in the microwave at home. But I always take out the plate and just wash that in the sink because it's just glass, and then I'll wipe everything else out. And now our final product. Everything is cleaned, put away. The dishes are getting washed or have been washed. Didn't get to the floors, but that's okay. I just did what I could with the time that I had. Well, my kitchen is finally clean. We had a little bit of interruptions with package delivery and the dog barks like crazy and nap time, but it all got cleaned in probably like 35 minutes, and honestly it just feels so much better. There is nothing that can compare to a clean kitchen, and I feel like now I can actually get to work on some of the cooking projects I want to get going. So sourdough is a weekly thing for me, and then meal prepping. So anyways, I have the space now for it, and I just feel like as my kitchen has been decluttered, my mind is decluttered, so it feels good to be in here now. If you enjoy cleaning, organizing, planning videos, hit subscribe down below to get notified of all my videos that have to do with that, and we'll see you guys next week.